So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Laravel app as an API. So what you can see here, I've got a countries endpoint and I've just called it in the browser, and you can see some API data being returned. So I'll go through how to set this up in this video. So I've opened up VS Code and selected the Laravel app, and this is a blank Laravel project. What I'm going to do now is bring up the terminal. So I'm going to go to View, Terminal. So I'm going to type in PHP artisan install :API, then hit the enter key. You will get a prompt about a new database migration. So I would hit the enter key to say yes, and the database migrations will run. So after that command is finished running, if you go to the root folder, and you'll notice an api.php file. So if I open that, and you'll see there'll be a root already added. So this will be a root for a logged in user. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to create an endpoint to add to the Laravel API. If I go back to the terminal, type in PHP artisan make controller, enter. I'm going to name this new controller country controller. I'm going to select this controller as empty. Now if I close the terminal, go to app HTTP folder and open up the country controller. What I'm going to do is add a new method, so public function index. For this method I'm going to return a response, and it's going to be of type JSON, so I would call it JSON method. So I'm going to need some data. Because I'm just showing this as an example, I'm not going to get data from the database, I'm just going to hard code the data. So I'm going to create a countries variable. So this will be an array of countries, so I'll give this an ID 1. Name United States, and I'll add in 2 more entries. Okay, I've got 2 more entries here, so what I'm going to do now is pass in the variable into the JSON method call. There we go. What I need to do now is add a root for this. So if I go to the api.php file inside the root folder, I'll create a new root here, so root get, so the path will be countries, and it will be country controller, colon class, comma, and it's the index method. Also need to make sure to add in the namespace, so use app HTTP controllers and then country controller. If I open up the terminal again, so view terminal, what I'm going to do is run this app, so I can do that by PHP artisan serve, hit the enter key, and the app is running on this URL. So if I hold down the control key and then click to open in the browser, okay, if I update the URL, so it'll be /API/countries, and then hit the enter key, and you'll see the endpoint has worked. So I've called the countries endpoint and I'm getting the data returned back in the browser. The reason why the data looks structured like this is because I'm using the JSON formatter plugin. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Leave a comment below if you have any queries or any issues, and thanks for watching.